friends, good morning and welcome to the farm. Today I'm going to show you how we take care of some of the animals. So the first animals we're going to check on this morning are goats. There's two of them. Let's see. So Miss Marion comes in the cage with them so that I can check on their food and water. So this is Meadow, that's this goat's name, and this is Tulip. So every day in the morning you have to get them fresh water. So we dump out the old water and we're going to fill it up with new water for them. Some days when there's leftover vegetables that the goats might like, you can give them leftover vegetables. So this is corn, and they like to eat the corn, see? We have to take care of our chickens next. So we're going to dump out the water just like we did for the goats and give the chickens fresh water. Once the chickens all have their water, it's time to let them out for the day. So you can see they're all waiting right here, see? All our chickens and our rooster, and they're ready to come out for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. A turkey. Still a few more in there. And they're going to walk around and they're going to peck at the grass and they're going to see they're going to all drinking their water because they're thirsty. Here are the chicken eggs for today. See how they're all different colors? Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me at the farm today and seeing how we take care of the goats and chickens. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!